How to remove blank pages in Microsoft Word. Blank pages can appear because of extra paragraph marks, page breaks, or section breaks. So let's look at 3 simple ways to remove them. Method 1. Delete the blank page. First, go to the blank page you want to remove. Click on the page and press Backspace or Delete on your keyboard. If the page disappears, you're done. However, this method may not work if the blank page is caused by hidden formatting marks. Method 2. Show formatting marks. The second method is useful when you can't find out what's causing the blank page. Go to the Home tab and in the Paragraph group, click Show Hide or press Ctrl+Shift+8. Word will now display hidden formatting marks, including paragraph marks, page breaks, and section breaks. On the blank page, select the extra paragraph marks or the page break and press Backspace or Delete. If the blank page is caused by a section break, delete the break carefully because it can change the formatting of the surrounding pages. Method 3. Use the navigation pane. Finally, you can use the navigation pane to quickly locate blank pages. Go to the View tab and check Navigation pane in the Show group. In the Navigation pane, select the Pages tab and find the blank page. Click on it to jump to that page, then remove the extra paragraph marks or page break causing it. And that's it. These methods can help you find and remove blank pages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Microsoft Word tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.